The Miami trip contest me and
no, so because NDC for fraud.
Yes.
So mon so be fraud. That's
they are presented me benefit Gomoa. Omo frame me. So frame me no more can benefit Gomoa. I'm ready. I just want my people to eat, have good road, healthcare. That is all that is important to me. I'm not interested in anybody's politics, honestly. Just say bia me who say sanko fu ma shada so mbe bro me pentokwa. Like who say me pentokwa chi eduane.
Hello, keep watching Xposed GH, the best channel on all of YouTube. Yes.
Mama Baba Xposed but FM members baby I will be able to check here amount A+, say A+, more A+, the controversial musician. And then your friend honorable. Now also the honorable and your honorable I hear you. And your honorable person will make it change in Ghana. Next what I say I'm say both NDC NPP and say NDC for now about approaching some person come. You go tell some more kind.
Se we want extend the olive branch no to them. You expect someone to be from Brahmians?
They have.
Well, they can really do without.
No. I'm saying they have. They have. I'm very happy with the NDC. They have.
They have to call you.
They have.
Oh, they've called you.
Exactly.
Okay.
They have.
Okay.
But I'm saying I don't want it to look like we are going to be like your movie because no.
You want to be a key part of the caucus
for my people. And I'm going. And if they are going to help my people, I'm going to also help them. All that I want is for my people to prosper.
MPP phone reaching out to you, say on person will with them.
I'm serious.
I'm frail.
Dabi. Now why never frail? I say obi ani so chin no why never frail. Governor omo ani so chin omo no why never call no. The two of for monte. Why as make counter in this voices here? You catching people for monte. Obia me to make constituency cover seat as an independent make 2 for not just at least more politics munyansa kakra
yes
e 2 for months hwenim guase amode aba but ya je kufo na edubu ahenom ti enu nie what I say but a good desua obia mfra me say obia person mo ne me kokosi anasen omoni su chi omo.
But when that call a bar that would put you in a fix and
it won't put me in a fix me imagine the Miami trip contest me and
no, so because NDC for fraud.
Yes.
So mon so be fraud. That's
they are presented me benefit Gomoa. Omo frame me. So mo frame me no mo can me benefit Gomoa. I'm ready. I just want my people to eat, have good roads, healthcare. That is all that is important to me. I'm not interested in anybody's politics. Honestly. Just say bia me who say sanko fu ma shada so mbe bro me pentokwa. Like unim say me pentokwa chi eduane.
A+.
Yes. But just that me pese ye be do ho. Me pese ye be do ho. Yam build your mind no. It's a new Ghana. The kind of A+ nana me here on the 7th of December no. By 8th December no, now I transform me as a son. Now this A+ is the one that is looking for a developed Ghana, a developed Gomoa Central, employment for the youth. Yes, about 24-hour economy. Enye juma. Enkokon ketenkete. Enye juma. Yes, $1 near the akokra akokoba near abenye en ha. Yes, $1 near the akota akokwa wewu 6 months. Eshe fridge ma abro ni peso berry near the back room ha. Joma hama catcher was say. I was say if you be no, yetumi nya battery cages a ye be ye nkoko wom. Say me ma contact in North Kaneshi here. Yes. Or one koko be 2,000 when ifi echi. As it's like the whole North Kaneshi ubia wa koko 2,000 when ifi echi a. Enka Ghana be export ya koko. Me constituency Gomoa Central. So ubia wa koko 2,000 ewo battery cage mu ne yeyi kusua. Enka ye be export sa anyoma we. Battery cages no say yeka se be produce ha world akra benyeska. Farmer na odue bro ne ye de be feed am nkoko no. Edi youth no we school no munya adwuma ya no be your extension officers on be won kokon panel ne ade your friend is saying maame no oton kosua no obeba be fa kosua enkokon ketekete your policy bia so these are the things that I think
is it said they couldn't explain it well and like you've done
and this woman am campaign no na Ghana for edwa and so take advantage never be running this kasa bebre it was just there for them to take even though they worked but anyway be like 24-hour economy like enkokon ketekete how to explain it omo deep, but these are very good policies. As a member of parliament elect, me per se me so aban mu na ye bring youth ni nyina together. Na youth entumi enhu se ade a ye be ye eye ade a ebeboa oman no ebeboa for employment ebeboa ye maamenom me per se me ye obi a metikruma media me papa and I'm ready to work with whoever is going to develop and ensure say the country is moving forward.
Is moving forward. Because now maybe boost at this question say
as what here is 70 be in 7 now all can or part say see a case MP or no to say we a leader for your community, and as a leader you need to effect change or say sabe abana motomano no enye se obana wabelodi over you people enye se bia obana moka wana no aka afa obedwane dwane mo also no a showman because even before eba beto aban waye niama bebre aman ade ba kwa A+ kai ne se o se ensase bi wo ya de afi wi ni ba fonse man na eyomodea eno na ode emra eba oba be fa mra kwa so no age mo amunim ne A+ is a lawyer too, so he knows the law. Na ensamo de yesi emfa ya no endo nwura, and especially your friend say edu politicians wo mo kasa ba A+ de ensam bebreba wa ye wan wantimi anye sene okan ne de be nguase na ama no owie so no owie o say NDC na approaching say o meka on side of the divide no NPP also omunye serious party into omo de one man catch chance o meka omo ho ba NDC say still we have the majority, but we want absolute majority. Into our approaching them as to whether Obeko or Cross or Gengen home. Now, a yes, the Debia make up be said. Yet the swallow near their show, and near the show near their swallow. Because I didn't want my friend responsibility. Say a more title honorable now, and yet honorable say for girls, and yet honorable say for both to one of but a honorable to change lives. A+ say oba besisa abrabo as to whether obetimi asisa ontimi sisa time will only tell. Na otimi sisa nso a first time an independent candidate etimi and make it what major change politically. Make say A+ or ambition to become the president of Ghana 2036. I saw for being a kind mate. Now when it begins today, yes say akola obeto articulator no ohu kata ya no bisa na bo it said the awasa ambition no the first point is obeko parliament okoye not me bon ho there not me ya de yi a eno na bia bebam so betimi adi I Xposed GHFM members but just subscribe ya the tumpa na wonsaka me manuasi.
Keep watching Xposed GH, the best channel on all of YouTube. Yes.